Hello everyone, this is Diễm Hằng. Welcome. Today I will teach you how to make perfect Italian buttercream. With years of experience, I can help you fix common mistakes without wasting ingredients. Don't the ingredients away. I prefer Italian buttercream for cake decorating as it's smooth and easy to work with, and the filling has an excellent taste, but it's not too sweet. It's great on cakes and cupcakes, so let's start it. Making Italian buttercream, we need to cook the syrup. Measure the sugar in a saucepan and add 100 ml of cold water to 300 grams of sugar. Cook the sugar until it reaches a soft stage. It will take 5 to 7 minutes on high heat or until syrup reaches 115 degrees Celsius or 240 degrees Fahrenheit. If you use less water, it cooks faster. More water, it will take more time to cook. While the sugar is on the stove, I whip the egg white, 150 ml egg white, in the bowl of a stand mixer. Use the balloon whisk and whip to stop thick. Now back to the sugar. Syrup is now boiling and will become cloudy and thickened. You can use candy thermometer, or you can eyeball the sugar stage to stop stage by checking the temperature while cooking. Drizzle the syrup into the cold water. If it forms a soft ball, it's ready. Like this. You can use spoon, scoop a little bit out, dip into cold water. You can see it clear, like this. This is soft stage. If you work away and the sugar's temperature goes beyond 115 degrees Celsius, simply add more water to thin it out and continue to cook until it reaches 115 degrees Celsius. Again, don't work away, it's calm. Put the hot syrup onto the beaten egg white slowly after you have achieved the desired temperature, and whip until stiff thick foam. And this is a stiff pick. The meringue holding the balloon whisk is very strong. When the meringue cools down to room temperature, add the softened butter. And this is important. The butter must be very soft, allowing you to cut it easily without any effort. Keep in mind that your kitchen's temperature varies slightly between winter and summer. During winter, I add butter slowly onto the meringue when it's still slightly warm. In contrast, summer heat the kitchen pretty warm. I add it after the meringue really cool to avoid a soupy consistency. This is beautiful. Buttercream is nice and smooth and shiny. What happened? The video not finished yet. Does that look familiar to you? This is the most common problem when you're making Italian buttercream. When the buttercream speaks or curdles running water like because your butter did not soften enough. It is still cold when adding onto the meringue. Do not panic. Let the machine work for you. Continue to let it whip on medium speed for 3-5 minutes. It will set again. Sometimes the buttercream will be dense and yellowish in color. Warm in the bowl in a warm water, and re-whipping the icing will help to aerate it. Same thing when cold buttercream is removed from the fridge and mix it right away. It will split and curdle. Soften the buttercream by placing it in warm water or microwave it for a few seconds before mixing in fruit or color. If you accidentally overheat the icing, it becomes too runny. To fix this, transfer the icing to a bowl and place it in a large bowl. Pour water to chill while continuing to whisk it until it sets. Well, that's it. Hope this helps. Enjoy making Italian buttercream and create your sweet and your work of art. See you again on the next video. Thanks for watching and support. Subscribe, share. Bye.